This Engineering is Elementary digital how-to will demonstrate the preparation of a model river from Lesson 4 of a slick solution, cleaning an oil spill. In Part 1 of the lesson, you will need only one model river, but in Parts 2 and 3, you will need one for each group of students. To prepare one model river, you will need the following materials. One aluminum pan measuring approximately 8 by 8 by 1.5 inches. One 1-cup dry measuring cup. One 2-cup liquid measuring cup. 1/2 tablespoon measure. 1 cup of aquarium gravel, and approximately 1.5 cups of water. Begin by scooping approximately 1 cup of gravel into one side of the aluminum tray to create a shoreline. Use the liquid measuring cup to pour approximately 1.5 cups of water into the aluminum pan to create the river. To create the oil spill, use the 1/2 tablespoon measure to pour oil onto the surface of the river. Drop the oil steadily onto the same spot on the water's surface as best you can. This will create a single oil slick. While you can prep the model rivers ahead of the lesson, do not add the oil until it is called for in the lesson plan, as the oil will spread on the water's surface over time.